Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to add more options to your quick settings on your LG TV home screen. So if we press settings right here, this little side window will appear and we can add more settings to this. So you can see I have like black level and limit setting right here. Just go to one of these boxes and hold down the middle click button on it. So let's hold down on here. And then there will be a plus icon that shows right here. Let's hit that. And then we can add another setting on here. Like adjust sharpness, contrast, volume limit, magic explorer, I don't know what that is. Sign language zoom, if we use that. Energy saving step, so let's just click that on and put it right here. Now we can move these up and down too. You saw that as an option. If we hold down on this, we can move it. Just go ahead and move this back down here. Right here, and then I got multi-view right here. So you can click on this at any point in time now. You can move it, delete it, and then we got to go up to the top and go back so it saves it. And very simple to move or edit any of these options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.